Tawad ako, silent. No, I'm just kidding. We... Ay, ang bigat ko. Seesaw. 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 Best swing ever.
This is the best day ever!
Best day ever, best swing ever, blah blah blah. And I am in a swing, 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 swing. 2 hours later.
Nag-go na? Wow! Yeah!
Dakdak!
Yes?
Samahan mo nga itong kapatid ko dun muna sa ano? Dun sa room natin. And then, bumalik ko yan. Okay. Okay, follow me. What the heck is this?
Balik mo na rin yung cellphone na.
Okay, huh?
Balik mo na rin yung cellphone.
Okay.
Dito, ayan mo na.
Takbo!
Saan ba? May
Ito.
toys ka doon?
Ito. Doon, nakikita mo yung green car na yun?
Oo.
Doon, oh. Yan.
Ito?
Oh. May... Okay, so I thought that Tagalog speak. I'm right over here.
Ito?
Yes.
Toys yun na ni Kuya.
Oh, tatlo lang yung nadala akong toys eh.
Kita mo yung mga bata, mga naulila. Wala namang kinalaman sa kasalanan ng mundo.
So, here's his toys, blah blah blah. No, this is my toy.
Kasalanan ng mga tao.
Not mine. Not mine.
Dahil sa religion, dahil
Not mine. Not mine.
diba? So, pinocontextualize natin siya.
This is
Ako,
mine.
naniniwala.
This is mine.
Natin ang kasalanan ng tao.
This is mine.
Kasalanan niya against
Okay.
nature, against
I'm going back.
kasi masyado tayong
Poop, beep, poop, beep. Oh no, there's a dog. How far is? To Zumi. Not far. A little bit closer. Oh, sorry about that zoom. So, we're taking a tour again. There's a motorbike. Oh, look. Here they come. Kuya Aldin! Hey, here's a tower, blah, blah, blah. Kuya, anong lugar nga ito? Kuya Aldin. Kuya Aldin.
Sige po.
Kuya, anong lugar nga ito? Dito?
Altarios.
Altarios.
At ano?
Okay, this is Altarios in the Philippines. Altarios, 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 yung lugar. Okay, so, stop. Can you watch me record? Stretching. Here. Okay.
Dito. Uy, naka-cover. Kinover mo yung camera. Sorry about that. 10. wala ako pag ano eh.
Okay, so where I am back to swinging. Swinging, swinging, swinging. Oh look, there's a volleyball. Let's go see the volleyball.
No, I don't like.
I can. What the heck is this? It's right over there. Camp. Okay. Later we're gonna take a swim.
Hindi ako na dito dali.
You're gonna hit me. Oh well, let's see the view. This.
You want to see my goal?
Yes, go. Oh no, Lobot. Okay. Okay, he's getting it. He's getting it from his butt. Okay. His goal is in there. Whee! Whoa! That was so good. This slide is super duper slippery. Wanna see it? Here we go! Fail. Oh, that's a gold. Give me the gold. Get this gold. Wait, gold is also supposed to be heavy.
Pwede ka ba mag-video? Pwede ka maging cameraman?
Eh. Ano? Hey, don't kick me.
I'll help you.
I'm putting it into this log.
No!
It's just in here.
Okay.
It's shining for the camera. So, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.